How to make and create YouTube display ad on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design right here and search for YouTube and go down, click on YouTube display ad. Click on it, it will take you to this page. Now you have many options right here. Choose a template. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here, and you can change the text very easy and fast, and it looks so professional. After you finish editing, go here, click on share and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.